Hey there, in today's episode, I'm going to be sharing where you can find hot leads that are ready to buy your network marketing products. So if we're meeting for the first time, my name is Fran Loubser, and I am one of the co-founders of Beach Boss Influencers, where we coach and train entrepreneurs, home-based business owners, and network marketers how to build influence online, how to build incredible businesses online, without looking like a salesy weirdo, without having to send the copy-paste messages, without having to post all about your products all over social media and maybe get crickets, but how to build 100% online by being you and by leveraging your most powerful asset, which is you and your story. So I'm excited to share this with you. And the first step in figuring out where these people are hanging out, like where are the people hanging out that want to buy my products? Because perhaps you've gone into selling groups, perhaps you've gone into groups where network marketers hang out, or direct selling groups, and all you see is people spamming their links, and you're thinking, well, this isn't going to get me anywhere because nobody's seeing my link because everybody's so busy sharing their links. Okay, so the first thing to get crystal clear on is, what problems do your products solve? Okay, what are the benefits of the product and what would people be looking for? For example, if I go to the classic weight loss, there are loads and loads of people who are looking to lose weight, who are also looking to have more energy, who are looking to, feel better, who are looking to be able to run around after their kids. Okay. If you are in finance, what are the benefits? Maybe getting a better credit score, maybe being able to get a mortgage or a loan for their house, maybe be able to buy their first car, maybe to be able to pay off all their debt. Okay. So think about what your products, what are people looking for? What are the solutions that people are looking for? And then I want you to get creative, okay? And I want you to go and Google or go to Facebook, okay, and search groups, okay? For example, weight loss groups. Search maybe groups that where you can, improve your credit score. Maybe search groups where you can reduce your debt. Maybe search groups where people are looking for anti-aging solutions. People want to look younger. Okay. Think about, if you think about maybe your products help people look younger, maybe your products, maybe you're in makeup. Okay. And, maybe you are like me, and you're looking for ways to, so that your mascara doesn't end up all over your eyelashes, all over your eyelids, and all over you don't end up with panda eyes. Okay. Where are people looking for help to put on makeup and look natural? Okay, nobody really wants to look like they are made up. They just want to look natural, but they want to look better maybe than they look without makeup on. Okay, so think about the benefits that your products can solve, and then go and find groups where those people are hanging out. Okay, now, this is, you want to go and request to join these groups, and you may find when you go to request and to join these groups that they will say no MLM, or they will say no network marketers are allowed in this group, or you do not promote your products. This is where I want you to understand that the purpose of going into these groups is literally to connect with other people. It is to collect friends. The purpose of going into these groups is not to sell your products. The purpose of going to these groups is not to get the next sale, but is to connect with other people who are going through the struggle that maybe you've been through, that you went through in the past, okay, that your products have now solved. And when you connect with people in these groups, then you're going to let your content do the talking. So the process is, number one, figure out, and if you haven't figured out who your avatar is yet, figure out who is your avatar, who is your perfect prospect, and who's your perfect customer. And you may have multiple products. I'm actually backtracking a little bit. So you may have multiple products, okay? And you may have different avatars for your different products. So for example, you may have skincare, and you may have weight loss, and you may have gut health products, and you may have something else, okay? May have I don't know, something to reduce your aching joints. Okay, so you actually got 4 different people there that you would want to connect with. Okay, so when you go through your avatar process, you want to be crystal clear on who is that person. Okay, and where are these people hanging out. Okay, when you understand what they're going through, what problems that they're going through, what solution are they desperately looking for, all right, then you understand what they're looking for and where, then think about where they would be hanging out. You can Google this, and you could just go into Facebook and search for those groups and then start looking at those groups and see what value they provide. Then you want value-based groups. You want groups where people are providing value. Okay, once you figure this out, then you're going to request to join these groups. And when you go into these groups, this is where you are going to just talk to people. This is where you're going to just go and be a human being. This is where you're going to forget about trying to sell your products and just be a normal human being and connect with people. Okay. If they see you trying to sell your products, they're going to kick you out the group. So don't try and sell your products in the group. All right. Connect with people in the group. If you're allowed to post in the group, you can post questions. You could post, perhaps if it's weight loss, we should be drinking half our body weight in ounces in water every day. Do you struggle to drink this much water, or what are your best hacks to get this amount of water in your body? Like, just providing value in those groups. Okay, providing value in those groups, and then when people comment, and you may not be able to post, but if you can't post, then actually comment on other people's posts, comment on other people's comments. Help them. If you can help them without trying to sell your products, but if you can help them by just adding more value in there, then just go in and add more value in there. Okay, and when you build this connection with these people, that's when you're going to send them a friend request. Send them a friend request. And again, the idea of sending them a friend request is just to gather more friends, is to connect with more people, so that your content on your profile is going to do the talking. Now, if you want them to see your content, you need to make sure that you are commenting on their content so that they see your content. Okay, you need to be giving love so that you are going to get love on your content. Okay, so when you have, I'm just checking my notes here, but you're going to figure out who is your avatar. Who is your avatar? And you may have multiple avatars. Where are these people hanging out? Where are they looking for solutions to the problems that your product can help them with? Go into the groups, connect as a normal human being. Okay, this is where you're going to go, and you're going to request to join. You're not going there to sell your products, but request to join as a normal human being. Help people in there. If you can provide more value, if you can be known as that person who is adding a ton of value in these groups, add the value in there. All right, be that person who is helping them. All right, and then send these people friend requests. Okay, that you're building connections with. Send them friend requests so that your content on your profile is then going to do the talking for you, your content and your stories. Okay, and then once you've done that, then just be a normal human being and build a relationship with these people. Okay, so that at the end of the day, you can then ask these people, hey, so I've seen that you're struggling with X, Y, and Z. And maybe they've commented on one of your posts. Find out more about that. If they've commented on one of your posts, yes, I'm interested in this product. Okay, fine. So awesome. What have you tried? Ask them again. Ask more questions. What have you tried to help you with this? Okay, or have you tried anything in the past? And they say, I've tried this and this and this and nothing has worked. Say, well, I might be able to help you. My product might be able to help you. Or, can I get you some more information? Okay, you haven't gone in there and just tried to sell them straight away. You've actually built a relationship and been a normal human being, because people will buy from people that they know, like, and trust. And if they see that you've just come in there and just try to sell them straight away, they're going to run a mile. Okay, they will go and buy from somebody that they know, like, and trust. So be a human being, be normal, be genuine, be authentic, provide value in the groups. Okay, wherever the groups are, whether it's in financial services. I know nothing about financial services, but you know, if you're in groups where people, you know, are starting to reduce their credit score, and you can give them tips on how to do this and what to do, be that person who's giving them tips, who's giving them awesome value, so that they want to keep following you. And they may just send you a friend request, but if they don't send you a friend request, you know, then send them a friend request, comment on their content so that they see it and they see your content. So hopefully that you've got a ton of value from this. There will be a link above or below in this training, or in the comments, wherever you're watching this. So go and grab that link to learn how to build influence online, to learn how to build authentically online by being you, by branding yourself, and by being a genuine, normal human being. Okay, learn how to build influence and how to build 100% online. Grab the link and we will see you inside. Until next time, thanks for joining me. Bye.